You'll need popsicle molds, raspberries, whipping cream, almond milk, granulated sweetener, and vanilla extract. Combine all ingredients in your blender except for the whipping cream. Blend the mixture until it's smooth, or at least most of the chunks are broken down. If you still have little pieces that aren't blended, that's fine. Using a medium bowl, pour the blended mixture and then add in the whipped cream. Mix together with a spoon. In another method, you can also pour the whipped cream after everything is blended and then pulse it all together for a few seconds. Now scoop or pour in your mixture into the popsicle molds. Take out your popsicle from the freezer and run it under warm water for 20 seconds. Gently tug it out to remove it from the mold. And this is your result of your raspberry popsicle. I also made a strawberry version too. These were perfect for a sunny day and they're not too sweet. Bon appétit!